In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new Convert to Table function in Google Sheets. This feature is a game changer when it comes to simplifying how you manage and present your data. Whether you're new to Google Sheets or an experienced user, this update is designed to make your life easier by automatically applying a consistent format and structure to your data ranges, reducing the need to manually format, input, and update your data each time. To take full advantage of this feature, start by opening your Google Sheets document and navigating to the dataset you'd like to convert. Once you've located your data, the next step is incredibly simple. Click and drag your mouse across the cells to select the data you want to transform into a table. After your data is highlighted, use the right-click function to bring up a context menu on your screen. Within this menu, you'll find an option that says Convert to Table. Go ahead and click on it. That's all it takes. Instantly, your data will acquire a clean, organized table format. Now, let's talk about the two main components of this new table feature. Firstly, each column comes with the ability to set and specify a column type. This means that whether you're working with dates, text, or numerical data, your table will ensure that all entries align consistently. This feature is especially helpful if you're dealing with large datasets where uniformity is key. It helps keep your data structured, accurate, and much easier to read at a glance. The second significant aspect of this function is the access it provides to a unified menu. Once your data is converted, you'll notice that you can manage an entire suite of table-level settings from this menu. Whether you're looking to adjust the layout or apply a filter view, these options are readily available. The filter view, for instance, allows you to efficiently sort through your data, enabling you to focus on the most pertinent information quickly. This can be particularly useful for those working in dynamic environments where priorities shift rapidly. Overall, the Convert to Table function is designed to save you time and effort, letting you focus on analysis and decision-making rather than formatting. With just a few clicks, you bring a level of professionalism and clarity to your spreadsheets that are hard to achieve manually. Whether used for personal endpoints, financial tracking, or business analytics, this feature offers a streamlined approach to data management that anyone can appreciate. Thank you for joining me today to learn about this exciting new feature in Google Sheets. Try it out for yourself and see how much simpler managing your data can be. Happy spreadsheeting!